Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we're gonna see another high API project, guys. Okay, so we have seen a lot of high API projects, and this one could be the another one, guys. Okay, so diamond hand protocol, guys. Okay, so this coin is gonna launch today. Okay, and this coin is going to launch today, and tomorrow it will be live in PancakeSwap, guys. Okay, pre-sale is live today. Okay, and in PancakeSwap tomorrow it will be live. Okay, so this diamond hand protocol is they are giving APYs 3,82,945 percentage, guys. Okay, so for diamond hand up to 9,29,000 percentage they are giving for diamond hand. Okay, so here the Phoenix holders will get more additional benefits with 9 lakh percentage, guys. Okay, so right now just 429 followers is there. This project they are given the whitelist. Okay, this project they are given the whitelist, so it's very simple, guys. Joining in whitelist, give the link in the description and you can join in this whitelist. Very simple, easy way, guys. Okay, so I got 5 entries. It's very simple. Follow Twitter, retweet a tweet and join Telegram and leave web20 address, guys. That's it. Okay, and you can refer, guys. Okay, end date is 4/3/22, guys. Okay, so 100 winners will be selected. Okay, so you can join it so tomorrow it's going today it's going to end. Okay, 18 hours left, guys. So don't miss it. Everybody must join in this one, guys. Okay, so don't miss it, guys. Okay, so yeah, okay, guys, so come back. This coin is giving up to 9,29,000 percentage. Okay, 29,000 percentage, and we will go to the website and check it, guys. Okay, so this is the website, diamond hand protocol. Okay, so this is the highest paying protocol in crypto world. Fixed APY 3,82,000 percentage, diamond hand APY 9,29,000 percentage. Double buyback mechanism, automatic staking and compounding wallet, interest paid every 15 minutes, guys. Okay, so fixed APY 3,82,000 percentage, diamond hand APY 9,29,000 percentage. So if you are holding $1,000 in one day, you will get 1,022. 15 days you will be getting 1,613. If you are holding $1,000 in 25 days, you will be getting 2,528. Okay, 40 days you will be getting 4,613. 60 days you will be getting 9,425. In 1 year, if you are holding $1,000, you will be getting, oh my god, 92,000. Oh my god, not 90,000, yeah. 92 lakhs, $98,540 you will be getting, guys. Oh my god, this is crazy, yeah. Okay, so the futures when compared to safe Titano, how this diamond hand system is differ, they are given. Okay, DH protocol is ticked, DH protocol tick. So auto liquidity, auto ban, double buyback mechanism, auto staking, insurance funds, everything is given. This is Binance said one. If you can't hold, you won't be rich. This is okay. So 15-day diamond hand reward 15 percentage. Okay, how much percentage you are giving, they are given here. Okay, these are the things about their project they are given. These are the promotion videos of diamond hand API. Okay, so guys, don't miss it. Okay, this is the official website, and here the whitelist is going on, guys. Okay, so don't miss it. Everybody must join in this one. Okay, everybody must join in this one. Don't miss it. It's whitelist, guys. Okay, tomorrow this is pre-sale is going. Today pre-sale is going on, and tomorrow it's launching in the market. If you are not joining in this live sale, also no problem. Join in waitlist, guys. Maybe if you are selected, you will be getting $100, guys. Okay, okay, guys. Thank you so much. See you soon.